What's up guys, thank you for watching another video today. Today's finally the day where we start converting the Evo to E85. I actually was not even considering it doing anytime soon, but my homie Randy, I'll put his IG in the corner right here, actually hit me up on Instagram and he's like, hey bro, like, are you gonna run E85 soon? And I was like, nah man. He's like, I'll actually give you some injectors if you go E85. So I was like, dude, say no more. So he ended up giving me these RC 1000cc injectors. I had to obviously get some new seals. They're down here on the floor somewhere. So I got the seals and I also got you guys, well I got myself, but I got a brand new GoPro 7. So I'm actually going to be getting a lot of more point of view drives for you guys. I know some of you guys were asking for it. You strap these to your head and then you basically drive with it. So I'm actually going to put you guys over to the GoPro right now. But right now we actually have to go over to D2 Sport in Orange County. So I have to go pick up Sam and then take him to the shop so we can swap out the injectors. Have them basically scaled to the 1000 cc's, and then what else do we need to do? I also have to do a compression test on it. Maybe not today because it's already pretty late. It's already like 6:30 in the afternoon, so it's gonna get dark real soon. So I'm gonna start heading out to Orange County, start working on the car, and basically have it ready to get it tuned on the E85. All right guys, you're not on the GoPro. This is the first time I'm actually doing this. This is pretty sweet. So hopefully you guys enjoy the POV drive. Let me know if you like it. If not, you know, I'll change it up. So let's go. So right now we're actually currently on our way to Sam's house. We're gonna go pick him up, and then after that we'll head over to a shop, start working on the car. It's currently 6:28. It gets dark here around like 7:30, so we have like an hour of sunlight. So hopefully I get, you know, a good video for you guys. I've never actually think I filmed at nighttime, so I feel like everyone's staring at me with this GoPro on. It's like a big cactus sticking out my forehead. Pull up right here.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Balsa Avenue.
Alright, let's check it out. This tire's fine. Dude, I don't think I have a flat. Dude's tripping. Wow, he really made me get off. Wow. Alright, I guess we're good. Let's hop back on the freeway. See an Evo right there and a Subi. Damn, I'm about to be rocking one of these soon. No, from bumper gain, that's a big intercooler. Oh, you already know. What up, dude? That's your daily or what?
No, that's my brother's daily.
Oh, gotcha.
Like
Is your Evo running or not?
nah, I wish.
What happened to it?
I need injectors and my fucking tensioner broke.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, so
How much power does it make?
it's like 540-ish.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so now we're actually gonna head over to the shop. I won't record the drive, but once we get there, we'll start working on the injectors. Oh, it's an R33.
What do they need that your talent can
God
provide?
damn.
Because the effect you have on others is the most valuable currency there is.
Oh, and it has to shoot? God damn. Check your cleaner. Alright, we're gonna pull the Evo up and get it close. I hear some. Wait, is that George? Hey, that is George. Hey. Alright, let's pull it up. Ah, bro, you stop. Alright, so the injectors are inside. We're gonna start cleaning them and we're gonna dyno this car real quick. Trying to be. Alright, so once this is done, we're actually going to go ahead and start working on my Evo. The injectors are still being cleaned over there. Then we're probably going to pull it in and swap out the injectors, and then I'm probably going to have Sam reflash it or scale the injectors. We'll see what happens. Alright, he's going to take it back, so we're going to bring mine in.
Or this one has 3.
This one's spraying good, right?
No, that's horrible.
Oh, really?
This, you want it like this one right here.
Oh, it's like 3?
Yeah.
God damn. The struggle. So what are you doing right now?
Just trying to read
the ECU. Alright guys, so there's a bit of change of plans. The computer wasn't able to read my Evo ECU. This is not the first time this happens. Something's wrong with the car. I'm not sure what it is yet. But basically our plan B is to basically install the injectors the day of the tune. So that way I'm not the wrong with the 1000cc injectors right now because the car went with like complete crap. But at least I got the injectors cleaned. They're ready for the install. I'm gonna schedule a tune either with 5150 or Darted tune out in San Diego, whoever hits me back up first. And then once the car's ready to go, you know, once I have a set date and appointment, then I'll go ahead and go out there. So I know it's a short video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe,